Hi there, how are you? Good morning. It's 1:50 by the watch. Justin Gabani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And we design, manufacture, and supply corporate gifting products. We have interior accessories. We have furniture. We also promote art and installations and stuff, and we have a lot of products in semi-precious stone, semi-precious stones. And of course, the latest which I had researched over 3-4 years is these international concepts or designs which are inspired from Morocco, France, Germany, US, and stuff like that. And there is a section of modular tables and business room accessories and furnitures and stuff, where we have folding tables, chairs, and stuff like that, and the list goes on. I'm the brainwave and the brainchild, and if you were to ask me, is it an easy task to do stuff of your own? Because in a way, you're working like a designer. You have accessories being designed, you have the finish of the products being worked upon, you have the material, you have the layouting, and you have the sizes and details and stuff like that. Then you got to work on warranties and guarantees and stuff. You have to work on packaging and meeting deadlines and stuff like that. So it's a lot of work, but it's fun and stuff. And I find that on certain days, also because of the weather and stuff, and I've just kind of recently recovered from neck cervical and stuff, my realizations have been about kind of wanting to be more, systematic and more organized and stuff, and also kind of trying to do things in a manner where I don't get overwhelmed. Okay, so many months back or many years back, I got a client who called me up and he said he was interested in getting some lamps made and stuff like that, and he wanted to see some samples. So I rushed, to Connaught Place with my bags and everything and all that. And I remember it was warm and stuff, and I had to wait for half an hour, 40 minutes, because he got stuck in a traffic. And I got overwhelmed by the heat. I got overwhelmed by running around. I got overwhelmed also, I think, because, you know, I had too many meetings happening and stuff like that, and I'd got some personal stuff happening as well. So of course, I mean, I had scheduled the meeting at my own, time, which was also convenient for him. But that particular meeting, I remember, which happened in Cafe Coffee Day, I instantly happened to be talking to one of my relatives, and I made a comment and I said, doing everything today on one day is overwhelming. So as I look back on that day, I'm reminded about the present times with the weather and everything. I mean, we have to be real. We do get overwhelmed and stuff, and a lot of stuff takes over: the heat, the weather, the distances, the travel and stuff. And when you just discontinued with the medicines and everything, which you've been on for almost a year and a half, it takes a little trip. It takes a little time to kind of adjust to the regular lifestyle. Also, because your perspectives has changed, you spend so much of time on more important things than prioritizing health and stuff. So an awakening happens, or I would say you have realizations. So this share of mine is coming back to interiors and architecture, is also actually to give you an insight on how to not get overwhelmed. Okay, I will take you to video 4 so that you have an understanding that as a woman, as a grandparent, as a senior citizen, as a girl who's kind of in a job or was to rush to a college, or someone who's working on a project, or someone who's running a firm, someone who's doing something of her own, or someone who's managing a house and everything, how to not get overwhelmed. And same can be also picked up by our men folk, the boys and stuff, because you have to remember they also do the work and stuff. It's not like a woman's world. Men are equally also working and stuff. So video number 2 will be on, I have it on my wall here. It's going to be your home or your office space, or wherever you are, you know it has to have these little shifts which don't overwhelm you. So let me take you on to video 2.